Hello, everyone! It's me again. It's great to see you. Today, I want to share my special night routine with you. I'm going to tell you all about the things I did yesterday evening, from the moment I got home until I went to sleep. Are you ready? Let's begin! Yesterday, I reached my home at around 5 o'clock, right after school finished. The first thing I did was take off my shoes at the door. I put them away neatly. Then, I walked to my room and placed my heavy school bag on my chair. I felt quite tired from the long day, so I decided to rest on my bed for a few minutes. I closed my eyes and just relaxed, listening to the quiet sounds around me. It felt so good to lie down after sitting in class all day. After my short rest, I felt a little more energetic. So, I stood up and changed out of my school uniform and into my comfortable home clothes. Then, I went to the bathroom to wash my face with cool water. It was so refreshing. I also drank a big glass of water because I was very thirsty after my journey home from school. Later in the evening, I went to the kitchen to help my mom prepare our meal. She was happy to see me. I carefully cut some fresh vegetables for our salad. I also helped set the table, putting out the plates and forks for everyone. A little while later, our family sat down and we ate dinner together. I really enjoyed the food because it tasted delicious. My mom is a great cook. After we finished dinner, it was time to relax. I watched a funny, short video on my tablet, which made me laugh. After that, I picked up my favorite book and started reading. The story was so interesting and exciting that I couldn't put it down. One actually read 2 whole chapters, which was more than I usually do. I was completely lost in the world of the book. As it got later, I knew it was time to prepare for bed and for the next school day. I went to the bathroom and brushed my teeth very well. I also filled up my water bottle so I would have fresh water by my bed. Then, I went back to my room and prepared my school bag. I made sure I had all my books and my homework ready for the next day. Finally, just before sleeping, I did my favorite part of the evening. I sat at my desk and wrote in my diary. I thought about my whole day, the happy moments, and the things I learned. Writing everything down helped me feel calm and organized. After that, I turned off the light and went to bed. I felt so peaceful and ready for a good night's sleep. Thank you so much for watching and sharing my evening with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for the next episode of my diary. See y'all very soon.